Okay, everyone, are you ready to fold?
Yes.
Okay, so good. So go ahead and fold it in half, making sure the corners meet the other corners.
What?
Okay. Good job. Beautiful. Stay right there. Okay, Kaden, make sure the corners meet. And try to make sure it's really neat. Good, Kaden. Good. So now we have it all in half. Make sure it's in half. So unfold that. Unfold that. And we're going to pull it down. And make sure these corners meet these corners. Shh. Everybody be quiet, okay? Okay, that's perfect. Now, let's fold that in half again. Nope. So you want to, no, unfold it for me. Unfold that. So you would come from the other side. Yes. Good job. Good job. Okay. And then you're going to fold that in half. Fold it in half. Good job. Yeah. Yay. Fold that in half. Good job.